Well, welcome to another Driving in Illawarra. Today we're in the car with Big Tony from our service department. Hey Tony, how you doing?
Good, Scott.
Can I call you Big Tony?
Of course you can.
I felt like I should call you Big Tony because everyone's calling you TB.
Yeah.
Welcome. Also welcome to the Wakeling family. You've been with us not very long now. When did you start?
December.
Mm-hmm.
So December 22. So yeah, it's been a great change. So thank you very much for having me.
Yeah. Well, we're excited.
So am I.
We've known of your capabilities for a long time, and it's good to have you as part of the gang. Tell us a little bit about you. Family man? What's the family situation?
I've married and got 2 kids, a boy and a girl. My son's name's Josh, 16, and my daughter's name's Chelsea, and she's 14.
And Chelsea, as in the football club?
Yes.
Is that how she's named?
Yeah, that's definitely how she's named.
Okay, well, Paul Burgess will like you. Are you the Chelsea supporter?
I am the Chelsea supporter, correct?
Oh no, another one.
Yeah.
How long have you supported Chelsea for?
Well, I dare say I probably was about 12.
Okay.
I started off being a Manchester United supporter.
Yeah.
And because my dad followed Manchester United, but then
that's how it works now, isn't it?
I switched to Chelsea, and yeah.
Did he disown you at that point?
No, he was okay actually. So he was okay.
At 12, so that was like only 10 years ago or so.
Yeah, something like that, Brett.
Yeah. Probably, Ryan Giggs was still playing for Manchester United.
Manchester United, yeah.
Maybe not.
Been a few years ago.
And your wife?
My wife, her name's Michelle.
Michelle. She's not named after any football club then?
No. She's an Illawarra girl, so she was born and bred here in Shell Harbour.
Okay.
She does weddings and so forth, so she's a hairstylist.
You're saying a hairstylist, yeah.
Yeah, so
got her own little business.
Got her own little business, so she was wasn't working there for a while.
What's the name of her business?
Sorry?
We should give it a plug. What's the name of her business?
Her business name is Hair by Michelle Boicheski. So
nice. Yeah. So how long have you known her for?
We've known each other for 26 years.
Nice. How'd you meet?
Myself and my mates, used to come down to a nightclub many years ago called Waves.
Waves, yes. Yes.
Tells you probably how old I am.
Yeah.
We met there, and I guess we've been been together ever since. So
that's really nice. Where were you from when you said come down?
So I grew up in the North Shore called Crow's Nest.
Yep.
I was born and bred in Mater Hospital.
Okay.
In North Sydney.
Yep.
Yeah, we lived there for the majority of our life, and
so you'd come from Crow's Nest down to Waves for a night out.
Yeah, for a night out.
Journey.
The rest was history.
Yeah, wow. A bit about you. So you've had quite a history in the motor industry.
Yep.
So what's been your journey?
My journey, I started when I was 16 as an apprentice mechanic.
Yeah.
I finished my apprenticeship and went in as a foreman I actually worked for a little workshop in Brookvale called TR Automotive.
Okay.
And progressed from there, and I took over the workshop, and the rest is history. So I ran the workshop there for many years, and then I moved into a dealership.
Sorry. Just did the wipers.
That's been nervous like me.
Oh, I'm not nervous. Which side is this thing on? Sorry, yes. So you ran the workshop?
So I ran the workshop, and I was there for a fair few years. We bought a second workshop that I ran as well.
Wow.
And then I moved into a dealership.
Yeah.
And,
which was a dealership?
So I moved into a dealership. It was called York Motors.
Oh yeah.
It used to be in Rushcutters Bay.
Yeah, I've heard of it. Yeah.
So I was there for many years, and moved on after that, and I was actually a service manager there, and moved on into doing after sales, and left the dealership life and became a valuer buyer.
Yeah, wholesaler. Yeah.
Wholesaler. So I did that for about 15 years.
Yeah. That's interesting to go from. You don't get many people in our industry that go from the fixed operations straight into the used car market. Like, you'd be a bit of a unicorn in that regard.
Yeah.
But it'll give you a good insight as to how cars are valued and what their issues may be, I guess.
Yeah. I had a passion for cars, and I love cars, and had that interest. So it took a little time to get used to it.
That reminds me, because you said that you still have your original car that you like to drive in?
Yes, I bought when I was 16. I bought my first car was a Ford Capri.
You're that guy. You own,
Yeah.
you own the Ford Capri.
Yes.
Is it red?
No, white.
Okay.
Yep. So,
Okay. What's the condition of its weatherproofing?
it's actually in very good
maintained it good?
condition. So yeah, I looked after it
Yeah.
all these years. So
Sure you would.
yeah.
Yeah. What year were they? Are they the early 90s?
No, this is a 71 model. So it's
Oh, the
GT,
older one.
Yeah, the
Oh,
older one,
wow.
GT Capri.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Right. Proper one.
proper one. Yeah.
Okay, that's different. I'm thinking the fancy fresh one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And they're all red. You're right.
No, that's why I said red. I don't think I've ever seen a white one. Oh, okay, that's cool. And you restored it, or it's
So I just started restoring it about a year ago.
Yeah.
So and I thought it was just a good hobby for my son and myself to do that together.
That's
so,
cool. Yeah. Come through you at all?
No, I was going to say I've been here for 20 odd years now. It's the first time I've been here.
Oh, really?
So, yeah.
Yeah. This is where they launch some of the boats.
It's beautiful.
Yeah. Get the view up the coast. Up past Woonona Beach and Bulleye Beach.
Yeah.
Salmon Point. I'd imagine the seagulls are pretty well fed here.
Yeah, they're very well fed.
Yeah. Now, in your short time with us, who would you say is the biggest character in the business?
Ooh. There's a couple. Probably Troy.
Which Troy? Character?
Troy Neal from
Neil.
Mercedes.
Okay. Yeah. You've known Troy for a fair while.
I've known
right?
Troy for a fair while, so we've got a good relationship.
Yeah.
But yeah, he's a character. He
Yeah.
does like to.
He has subtleties, doesn't he? What's your favourite food?
My favourite food. I love a nice steak Diane.
Okay. Can you cook a good steak, Diane?
No.
Is it Michelle's job?
Yeah, but sure, she's
Good
lot better than me.
Are you saying you don't cook?
I do. I only cook seafood.
Okay, raw seafood?
No, I cook seafood. My family is a seafood family, so
Yeah.
my mum and dad had a fish market in
Nice.
Seaforth, so
Nice.
they taught us how to cook and prepare seafood.
So what's your go-to then? Come on.
My best is I love to make a garlic Bay bugs.
Yum. Well, thank you for that. We're
you.
home. We've made it in one piece.
Yeah, in one piece. Sorry.
Where were those games held at?
Oh
Oh yeah, by the way, Scott.
Scott, yes, I did. Sorry, Scott.
That'll come back later.
Yeah, I know.